Anyway, she could back out.
Just a minute.
Okay, good.
Employed has an AT&G company out of Dearborn. Details are January 21st.
10-4. How you doing? Yes, I'm Officer Galucia with the town of Ocean Ridge. The reason why I'm pulling you over is your tag is expired. I'll need your license, registration, and insurance, please.
Why are you pulling me over?
Because your tag is expired.
Okay.
Okay?
Am I breaking the law?
Yes, your tag is expired.
Any crime?
Yes, your tag is expired.
You have a supervisor?
I am the supervisor right now. So I'll need your license. You have a choice, okay? And I'm going to explain this to you really probably once or twice to you, okay? I will call my supervisor, but if you fail to produce your information...
You call your supervisor. I'm not failing to do anything. I'm asking for you.
No, yes, you are.
No, I'm asking for your supervisor.
It's upon demand.
I'm demanding your supervisor.
No, you don't get to demand my supervisor.
You're a public servant.
You wait. Because
you serve the public.
Yes.
I didn't cause any crime. I didn't hurt anybody. I'm not...
526, would you 56 me here? Now I need your license, please.
I'm not doing anything commercially. So...
Your tag is expired. Come here, I'll show you.
No.
It's right here.
Okay.
Stay here, don't move. So is this your Jeep?
It is not.
Okay, I already know that.
Right. So
it's still a lawful stop.
It's lawful?
It's a lawful stop. It's a legal stop.
It's illegal. It's illegal or lawful?
It's legal, and I'm not going to argue with you.
I'm not arguing, sir. I'm asking you a question.
I'm asking you for your driver's license. You're driving your vehicle in the state of Florida, and you are...
I'm traveling.
So you're going to play that game?
No, I'm not playing any game. Yeah. This is my freedom we're talking about here.
Yeah, it is. And sure,
we're talking about you.
My sergeant's on his way, and
we're talking about you as a public servant.
My sergeant's on the way, and you can talk to him.
We can talk to him.
Yeah.
And I hope you know.
I hope you know
what you're doing.
I hope I do too.
Okay.
I hope you know too. Her tag is expired, and she won't produce her driver's license. Registration or insurance.
Okay.
She's traveling.
Okay.
Hi. How are you?
Good. How you doing?
I'm doing
good.
Great.
So I'm the day shift supervisor.
Hi.
This officer has conducted a lawful traffic stop.
Is it lawful or illegal?
It's a lawful traffic stop.
It is. And
yes.
what law am I? Am I breaking?
Apparently, you're.
What law is that?
Okay. Can we see your license and registration, please?
That has nothing to do
10:15.
with me because. Are you?
You're under arrest.
Okay. For what? Why are you arresting me? Is your...
Yeah. You know what for. Right? Welcome to America.
Wow.
This is not... This isn't...
Don't resist.
I'm not resisting.
Yes, you are.
This is not even my car. I did not...
Lock this.
This is crazy. I hope your camera is on.
Oh, it's on.
Yeah.
Hop in.
Yeah, I'm down here. It's going to post up on this way, Chief.
Come on out. Step in.
What is this place?
The Ocean Ridge Police Department.
This is kidnapped.
Step into the cell. Step into the cell.
Why step into there? How are you putting me in here?
Why am I putting it in here?
Yes.
Why do you think I'm putting it in here?
Why are you putting me in here? This is absurd.
Turn around.
Wow. This is absurd.
What you're gonna do is provide your driver's license
I don't have a driver's
or an
license.
ID.
You didn't ask for an ID. You said driver's license or registration. You did not ask for an ID.
Mm-hmm.
And we'll see that on camera, so.
Face the wall.
Can someone come in here to speak with me?
Everything on you I need to know about.
This stop begins the way a lot of everyday conflicts do, with something small, technical, and honestly forgettable, an expired tag. A routine interaction on a Florida road that should have taken minutes turns into an arrest, a holding cell, and criminal charges. And the lesson here isn't about traffic law trivia. It's about how quickly a situation collapses when pride replaces cooperation. The key lesson is simple but uncomfortable. When we argue identity instead of addressing the immediate problem, we give away control over the outcome. And most of us, if we're honest, have felt that urge to prove a point, to be right, even when the cost is high. The officer opens calmly. Clear reason for the stop. Clear request for license, registration, insurance. That matters. Predictability is one of the strongest de-escalation tools under stress. When authority figures explain what's happening and what's required, it reduces uncertainty. And uncertainty is fuel for fear. So far, this is a clean interaction. But notice the first crack. Instead of addressing the expired tag, the driver reframes the encounter. Am I breaking the law? That question isn't curiosity. It's resistance in disguise. It shifts the conversation from compliance to debate. And look, that impulse is human. When we feel challenged, our brain reaches for control. We argue definitions. Lawful versus legal. Traveling versus driving. Supervisor versus officer. Psychologically, this is what's called cognitive narrowing. Under stress, the mind latches onto one idea that feels empowering. If I can win this argument, I'm safe. But reality doesn't work that way. The roadside is not a courtroom. And debating theory in a moment that requires action only escalates risk. To the officer's credit, he repeatedly offers a simple off-ramp: produce identification. He even explains consequences. That's good policing and good conflict management. Clear choices reduce emotional volatility. But here's the turning point, the exact moment everything could have gone differently. When a supervisor arrives and asks calmly for license and registration, that was the last clean exit. That was the moment to shift strategy. 3 choices existed: comply and move forward, remain silent and let the process play out, or escalate. She chose escalation. Why? Ego and fear. When someone invests emotionally in a narrative, I'm not subject to this, I'm being wronged, backing down feels like losing identity, not just an argument. You felt this too. That moment in an argument where you know cooperation would end it, but something in you says, no, they need to understand. That voice is expensive. It doesn't care about consequences. When a supervisor says the stop is lawful and again requests ID, the refusal becomes willful noncompliance. At that point, officers are no longer resolving a traffic issue. They're managing defiance. And systems respond to defiance with force, not philosophy. The arrest isn't sudden. It's procedural, predictable, almost boring in how avoidable it was. Listen to the language during the arrest. This is absurd. I hope your camera is on. Those are statements for an audience, not solutions for the moment. That tells us her focus has shifted entirely to being validated later instead of protected now. That's another stress response, future-oriented justification. Once people see this, they'll know I was right. But the body keeps the score immediately. The cuffs go on now. And here's the hard truth. Multiple charges follow: resisting without violence, driving with a suspended license, expired registration. None of those are improved by arguing semantics. In fact, the argument uncovered them. Conflict is like quicksand. The more you thrash to prove a point, the deeper you sink. So what does this mean for us off the roadside and into real life? It means recognizing when a moment calls for strategy, not self-expression. If you're dealing with authority, police, a boss, a judge, even a rigid family member, your goal isn't to win the debate. It's to minimize damage. If you find yourself feeling that heat rise, then pause your mouth before you pause your values. Comply now. Contest later. Silence is not surrender. It's often leverage. Try this micro-strategy. When emotions spike, ask yourself one question. What action here gives me the most options later? Not satisfaction. Options. Because the person who keeps their options controls the outcome. Here's the line to remember. Pride feels powerful in the moment, but negotiates terribly on your behalf. Next time you're in a heated situation, ask yourself, am I trying to be right, or am I trying to be free? And if this lesson landed, share it with someone who needs it. What would you have done differently in that moment?